All right, another strong day, and the market's closed right now. And look at that daily, and that just keeps ripping, just keeps ripping. The histogram's fading off a little bit, but the fast and slow lines are obviously very bullish, and we're actually breaking through that pennant area. So very encouraging. I mean, we're at 575 right now, and I was looking for a rejection on that area, but it doesn't seem to be the case. And we get a high on this high pivot right here of 95. So we'll have to see, man. That could be a rejection area. We break that 95. I think we're going places. I mean, we got to do a little retrace. We'll probably come back, test this trend line, and then take off. So we'll just have to keep our eye open for that. And that is on the S&P. If we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was just a killer move. We did pretty well on that. We're up about 8,000. No, we're up about 7,000 points on that. Um, that 150 line might be a resistance right there. So we're going to look for 48.95. Oh, yeah, 48.95. It's right there. So that might be our target for tomorrow, and we'll keep our eye open for that pullback. But we're not going to chase it. We're just going to let it run, man. Let it run, let it run, let it run. Let it do its thing. Same thing with SPX. Let it run, let it run, let it run. We're not going to take a quick look at metals. And that's about it, man. Things are looking good, looking good. Maybe Putin's about to pack up and go home. Might be the case. All right. So anyway, that's what we're looking at. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me tomorrow. I'll get a early morning market meeting out, and we'll figure out what we're going to do for the day, and if there's a play in it. And subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, so you know when I get that out.